bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So I have heard you guys loud and clear. You guys have been loving those lemon cottage cheese bars that I posted here a few weeks ago. And you guys have asked, can I omit the chocolate? Can I use coconut flour? And yes, you can do both, and we're gonna do both today. So I'm going to make a coconut flour version of those bars, and instead of chocolate, we're going to use berries. I did a little dusting of powdered sugar before serving. They come together so quickly. They're higher in protein, a little more fiber because of the fruit. This is like a lazy person's cheesecake bar, and you can eat these for breakfast. You can customize your sugar. You can use whatever berries you like. It's the coconut flour version is just as good as the almond flour version. So I'm going to go back and add the measurements for the coconut flour in the original. So you guys can do either one, and I will leave the measurements for both almond flour or coconut flour for this recipe as well. Guys, it's a great recipe. They just taste phenomenal, and it comes together so quickly, and you throw them in the oven for about 30 minutes and they're really delicious. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these incredible berry cottage cheese bars. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. We will need 2 large eggs or 3 egg whites, room temperature, 1/4 cup of coconut flour or 1 cup of almond flour. We will need the zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1/2 cup of sugar, any kind of sugar. This is raw cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of frozen or fresh berries. This is 1/2 cup of blueberries and 1/2 cup of raspberries. In your blender, we are going to add the cottage cheese, two eggs, our sugar, lemon juice, and zest. We're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Once it's smooth, we're going to add our baking powder and salt. And we're just going to give it another quick little blend. We're going to grab a medium bowl, and we're going to add our cottage cheese mixture. Plus, we're going to add our coconut flour. I prefer to do it this way because I don't like to add the flour to the blender just in case we overmix. We are going to whisk this until it's nice and smooth. And because we are using coconut flour, it does absorb a lot of liquid, so it's best to let it rest for about 5 minutes before we bake it. We're going to pour it into our baking pan. Just going to move it around to ensure that it's even. And we're going to add our 1 cup of mixed berries. If you guys want to add some slivered almonds, you can do that as well. We're going to bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes until it's set. We are going to let this come to room temperature, and we're going to refrigerate for, I would say, 1 or 2 hours until it's nice and cool. Once it's ready to eat, we are going to add just a little powdered sugar. You guys don't have to do this. I just think it looks really pretty and adds just a touch more sweetness. Enjoy our berry cottage cheese bars using coconut flour. Under 100 calories, 5 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. They are creamy with an incredible cheesecake flavor. They're delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. Also, our Full of Goodness recipe ebook is available for purchase. I will include the link in the description box below. And if you guys do decide to make these Berry Cottage Cheese Bars, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.